Hey, good morning, everyone. Just making a little bit of brunch today. Just want to let you see how I um, make my potatoes, fry the potatoes, and make some French fries. First, I peel them. Okay, and remove all the skin first. Okay, once you peel your potatoes, you're gonna slice them up. Okay, and you can slice them up whichever way you're accustomed to. Oops, there goes that one. Trying to escape. Okay, we're gonna get it back. Okay, there's no escaping here. Everything's going into the fry pan. Okay, then we're going to slice up our potatoes. Alright, some slices are going to be a little bit bigger than others. That's okay. Okay, at this point, we're going to add a little bit of salt to this. Okay, we've got the fries in a little bit of water. Okay, and the reason we're adding salt is because while it's soaking in the water for a bit while you're heating up your oil, it's going to soak up a little bit of the salt. And then you don't have to add any after you've fried your fries. Okay, so this is the way I make fries. I think this is the best way to make them. Once you fry up the potatoes. Okay, after you've drained your potatoes and you've heated up your oil, you're going to add your fries to the oil. A small amount at a time. And the trick here to not to get the oil splattered all over the place is to, the next bunch you're going to add on, you add it on to the previous pile that was on there. So like that, it doesn't go all over the place. Okay. There you go. And we're going to let this fry. Okay, so we're now going to turn the fries so they can fry evenly on both sides. Okay, so we're going to turn off our fries. Our fries are done. We're going to drain them on a piece of paper towel here. There we go. You can add some seasonings as you like. I have a little bit of jerk seasoning that I like to use. I also have a little bit of poultry seasoning that tastes really good with this. Okay, guys, and there you go. Fries made the right way. Bye-bye. Okay, we're back. So in this video, we're going to be frying eggs, and I'm going to show you how to fry them the right way. You have a little bit of oil in your pan. And this is what I like to do. I like to first crack them over a bowl. Let's see if I can. Okay, and the reason I do this is so like that, it minimizes the chances that you get shells in them when you do them directly into the pan. Okay, you want to make sure your pan is nice and hot. Okay, here we go.